Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, January 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David. How are you today?
I am okay. I am a little tired. I need my coffee right now.
Me too. It is a very busy morning for me.
Do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have 3 meetings before lunch. It is crazy.
Wow, that is a lot. I have 2 calls with clients.
Sales is always busy too.
Yes, but I like it. I like to talk to people.
I know you do. You are very good at it.
Thanks, Alex. So, did you see the news this week?
I saw some headlines. I did not read everything.
You need to read the Wall Street Journal from January 7.
Why? What is happening?
It is about the economy. It is very controversial.
Is it about the new tax?
No, it is about water. The article is the Global Water Trade Agreement.
Oh, I heard about that on the radio.
It is big news. Countries can now trade fresh water like oil.
That sounds dangerous. Water is for everyone.
I know, but the article says the price of water is going up.
How much?
They say it might go up by 20% this year.
20%? That is terrible for families.
It is bad for my clients too. Restaurants and factories need water.
If the price goes up, everything becomes expensive.
Exactly. My client called me yesterday. He was very angry.
I understand him. Water is basic. We need it to live.
The Wall Street Journal says investors are happy they make money.
Investors are always happy when prices go up.
True, but regular people are worried.
I am worried too. My water bill is already high.
Me too. I pay $50 a month now.
Imagine if it is $60 or $70.
I do not want to imagine that. It is too much money.
Politics and economics are always complicated.
Yes, they are, but we have to work with it.
Is there any good news?
Well, there is interesting news about technology.
Oh, really? I like technology news.
Did you see CNN's on January 8th?
No, I was very busy that day. What was it?
The headline was Dream Advertising Implants.
Wait, what does that mean?
It is a new technology. A startup company wants to put ads in your dreams.
That sounds like a science fiction movie.
It is real. They have a new device. You wear it when you sleep?
And it shows commercials in my head?
Yes. If you watch the ads in your sleep, you get free internet.
That is scary, David. My dreams are private.
I know, but think about it. Free internet is good.
I do not care. I do not want to dream about shampoo or cars.
The article says 1,000 people are testing it now.
Are they crazy? Sleep is for resting.
I agree with you, but some people want to save money.
How much money do they save?
Maybe $100 a month.
It is not worth it. I value my mental health.
I think it is funny. Imagine dreaming about a hamburger.
And then you wake up hungry.
Exactly, it is good for sales.
You always think about sales, David.
That is my job. But seriously, the technology is advanced.
It is too advanced. I like my quiet sleep.
The CNN report says it is safe, but people are protesting.
I understand the protests. Our minds are the last private place.
True. Technology moves very fast these days.
Too fast. Sometimes I want to stop it.
Speaking of stopping technology, did you see the New York Times?
Which day?
January 6th. There was a story about culture and society.
Was it the one about the no-phone zones?
Yes, you read it.
I read the title. It is happening in 5 big cities.
Yes. The city turns off the signal in specific streets.
So your phone does not work there?
Correct. No calls, no internet, no messages.
I think that is a fantastic idea.
Really? I think it is a problem.
Why? We need to disconnect sometimes.
But what if a client calls me? I lose a sale.
David, you can walk to another street. It is just for a few blocks.
The article says the police give fines if you use Wi-Fi devices there.
How much is the fine?
It is $100. That is expensive.
Good. People walk looking at their screens. It is dangerous.
But I need to check my email every 10 minutes.
No, you do not. You are addicted to work.
Maybe, but the New York Times says businesses on those streets are angry.
Why? People can look at the shop windows now.
They say people do not pay with phones. They need cash.
Ah, I see. That is a practical problem.
Yes, and people cannot take photos of their food.
That is a good thing. Just eat the food.
You are very old-fashioned, Alex.
I like real conversation, like this one.
This is nice. But I feel strange without my phone signal.
The article says people talk more in these zones. They are happier.
Maybe they are happy, but I am stressed.
You need to relax. Maybe go to a no-phone zone this weekend.
No way. I am staying home with my Wi-Fi.
You are funny, so we have expensive water, dream ads, and no phones.
What a week. The world is changing a lot.
It changes every week. We just watch it.
And we drink coffee.
Yes, coffee is the only constant thing.
Is your coffee good today?
It is okay, a little bitter.
Mine is good. I put 2 sugars in it.
You consume too much sugar.
I need energy for my 2 calls.
And I need energy for my 3 meetings.
What is your first meeting about?
It is about the new project timeline. It is boring.
Good luck. Project management is hard.
Thanks. Sales is hard too.
We both work hard. We deserve a break.
The break is over, David. Look at the time.
Oh no, it is 9:15 already.
We must go back to our desks.
Okay. I hope the water price does not go up today.
And I hope I do not see ads in my nap.
Very funny. Have a good meeting, Alex.
Thanks, David. Good luck with your clients?
See you at lunch, maybe?
Maybe, if I finish my work.
Okay, send me an email.
I will. Bye for now.
Bye, Alex. Have a great day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.